Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new 28-piece grilling set that I got. So we are doing a lot of backyard barbecues here this summer, and I wanted to get something that was going to be kind of just have a little of everything for tools I might want to use out here. So this thing's pretty cool. First of all, it comes in this nice carry case. You're not going to have to lose it, finding them in the drawers and things like that. But it is 28 pieces. So let me set this up here like this. So we've got tongs, we've got a spatula. It has a temperature. It has a steak knife, some pokers here. You have your little basting brush. It actually has a grill brush as well with a replacement. Let me take this off right here. So nice little grill brush. And then this comes off, little screws right here. And then there's a replacement brush that can go on it. And then you have some skewers here. Let's see, there's 4 skewers. You have for basting, for your meat, your chickens, turkeys. You also have these meat hooks. There's 2 of these, right? And this, I thought this was pretty cool. It actually comes with little salt and pepper shakers. How freaking cute is that? So overall, I mean, this thing has got pretty much everything you would need for an afternoon of grilling, whether you're grilling steaks, you want to do kebabs, things like that, and for cleanup because it does come with a grill brush. So yeah, I mean, I think this would make an excellent gift. Father's Day is coming up. I got this for myself, so I'm the one that uses it. So anyway, yeah, if you're looking for an all-in-one grilling kit that kind of just has a little bit of everything, I think this is a really great choice.